versus automation. What's the difference? A dishwasher is not intelligent. It does the same thing, every time, in the same order, regardless of what you put in it. That is not intelligence. That is a very committed series of instructions. Please stop calling things AI-powered when they have a timer and a sensor. Automation follows fixed rules. An email autoresponder that says, "I'll reply in 24 hours." It doesn't understand your email. It fires when triggered. AI generalizes. A system that reads your email, understands context and tone, and drafts a relevant response. That's AI. Clean test. If it can only do what someone explicitly programmed it to do, automation. If it can handle situations its creators didn't specifically anticipate, AI. Here's why it matters. Automation fails in predictable ways. AI fails in unpredictable ways. When your thermostat breaks, you know why. When your AI recommendation engine goes strange, the reason is surprisingly hard to trace. Two types of servant. One does exactly what you say, every time, and fails the moment you ask something new. The other has years of experience and handles new situations through judgment, but occasionally surprises you. The more capable the system, the more important it is to understand its reasoning, not just its outputs. We learned this the hard way. I hope you learn it faster than we did. Next, AI hallucinations. Your AI once invented an entire scientific career with full citations. I found this both disturbing and impressive.